Notice this is a little different than what we usually do. In the instructions it says highlight the hidden question. You do not have to write it. I know it's super difficult to write on here. You could have done it with the text, but just highlight it. So two-step problems ask two questions. We've done these before. To make sense of the problem, we've got to look for the hidden question. Alex has a box of 250 nails. He uses 80 nails. Then he loses 35 nails. How many nails does Alex have left? So our hidden question is he uses 80 nails. So that's all you had to do is highlight that. You did not need to solve the problem. If you did solve the problem, I'm going to show you how to do that. So remember, you didn't have to solve this equation, but if you did, here's the answer. So he uses 80 nails is our hidden question because that says then he loses 35 nails. How much? How many nails does Alex have left? So you need to solve both parts. He uses 80 nails and then he loses 35. So we started out with a 250 and he used 80. If he used them, we're going to subtract. So 250 minus 80 is 170. So now we have 170 nails. Then he loses 35. So from those 170, he loses 35 and that equals 135. He has 135 nails left. Notice we had to do two steps. Another way you could have solved the problem is you could have added 80 and 35 together and subtracted that from 250.